smell weird. Hey, hi, hello. Welcome back to another video. I'm back. I don't know if anyone noticed, but I went on a short, like, seriously brief hiatus, and now I'm back. And here we are. Okay. My everyday makeup that I use on the daily, it has been compromised for reasons I will not delve into, but it kind of forced me to just rummage through all of the makeup that I've had in my possession for years. I came up with this makeup look that you will see, and I've been just wearing it every day. And it's all drugstore products, so I'll just get right into that. Here we go. So first, I take this CoverGirl True Blend foundation that I've had for probably 2 years. And I don't think that it's my color. It's M5 Caramel Beige. It's all I had for face stuff, so we're just gonna put that on. I don't know why I did this extra stuff by putting it on my hand. I just normally dot it on my face, and now I have too much, but whatever. Aren't my blending techniques so flawless? I'm just gonna assume it oxidizes into my skin color, so. So next we're gonna take this NYX HD concealer. This is the only concealer I had left. So yeah, this is in the color.
I'm gonna slither the snicky snag.
Glow. That's cute. It's just like so simple. Okay, and just put that in the areas that you would normally put it. Blend it out. I know you're supposed to pat it, but I get so lazy and I just like rub it in, but you should pat it. So this is the time that little Jess had to pull some creativity out of her little ass. Since I lack powder, I'm going to use baby powder and put that on my face. So I just put some on my hand, get my powder brush, and just put it on my face. I like to avoid the eye area because it gets in my lashes and I'm just like, no. Since it's body powder, I just put it on the body. Now for the brows. This one I actually did end up buying. It's Essence. It's just a brown liner because all of the things that I tried to use before just looked crazy. I ended up having purple eyebrows and I don't have purple hair. So I'm just gonna line it as usual and then take this Maybelline brown powder. I don't know the color, I kind of ripped off the back, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I think it's so much easier because I don't have to sharpen this, so that's a plus. Plus, I'm pretty sure this was like $2, so that was on scale. Bomb. I don't know why, but I'm really happy today. Making videos makes me feel super productive and like I feel like my life's on track. Doing this is pretty therapeutic, so thank you for watching and giving me motivation to make more. Good enough. Okay, next is I take this Wet n Wild palette. It's so cute, it's so small and compact. And I take the brown color right here and I just put it all over my lid and blend it through the crease. And then I put it under the waterline also. Pink right there. And then pink right there. Try not to get it into your eye. That would be smart. Now, I take Maybelline eyeliner brush that it came with and just draw the liner. satisfied on the turnout of your eyeliner, I'm gonna take the same palette I used for the brown color, and I'm just gonna use my finger, put some color in that inner corner. And then also on the brow bone. I tried to pluck my eyebrow hair, but then I was just like, I don't trust myself. I'm going to take this NYX roll-on shimmer. I actually don't know if NYX is a drugstore product anymore because they like set up their own shop in like one of the malls and like it's just them based. I don't know if this title is as true as I thought it would be. Clickbait. I'm just gonna roll it onto my cheeks and it's gonna act as highlighter and blush. And I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. This one is in the color Almond. This is Almond. And then I'm going to take another one that is in the shade Salmon. Oh, it's so cute. And I'm just gonna put it on my nose. It's like a pink shade, so. Glitter is the bomb diggity. I'm gonna take this purple NYX Vivid Brights in the color Vivid Blossom, and I'm going to scatter just random dots all across the center and create that fake freckle effect. I fucked up right there, but oh yeah, why do I always forget? I'm gonna take this white liner. I bought a new one because I don't know, I just can't go without my white liner. And I'm going to put it on the waterline. Last but not least are the lips. So I'm going to use NYX Lingerie in the color Bustier. It's so cute. I'm just gonna take off the wrapping. Bomb. I scored these donuts last night.
And I was like, yo.
Look at
These parts are always so awkward. Like, yeah, this is my face. I mean, you saw me put it together the entire video and just gotta show it off for another 10 seconds. Completed look. Here we are. Progress. Well, guys, I hope you liked this quick tutorial on this drugstore makeup look. I have a pimple right here. Oh, damn. Anyway, I do this makeup look every day because it's like quick, easy, and I like everything is small so I can just fit it in my bag if I needed a touch up. Hope I relayed some hacks of some sort. So if you end up getting all of your everyday makeup jacked, not on purpose, but because you forgot to get it out of the trunk, then just score these little gems and recreate this makeup look. My outros are always so long. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Bink, bink, yes. What if I just... No. Why do I keep trying?